Hey, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. It's Crypto Granny, Bobby, Bob. I'm just jumping on. I just wanted to let you all know that I'm interviewing the one and only Paul Demokritou from the Crypto Factor. We're gonna do. We've been trying to pair up and do an interview for quite some time already, for a couple of weeks. He is in Europe. He's in Greece, and I'm in the East Coast and in the States. So it's very hard just to catch up because of the time zone difference. So there's a lot going on today. It's Friday, February 11th. And to be quite honest with you, the market is pretty much scaring so many people. There's a lot going on with Ukraine, Russia, and the US. We got the Olympics, we got the Super Bowl. Um, the market cap right now is at $1.8 trillion dollars. Just about 3 hours ago, it was almost $2 trillion dollars. So it's pretty much dropping. Bitcoin has dropped to 42,130. That's 4% down. Ethereum is at 28.96. That's 7% down. BNB is at 394. XRP is at 75 cents. It's 11 cents lower than it was yesterday. Cardano is at 107. Solana's at $95. Dogecoin is at 14 cents. Polkadot's 18. Shiba Inu is down 10%. Polymatic is down 12.19%. Crypto.com is 47 cents. They're going to be promoting like all these. There's going to be so many crypto commercials during the Super Bowl. So I don't know if people are going to buy. You know what happens? Like, I don't know. But crypto.com is down 47 cents and it's 9% down. Litecoin is 125, Chainlink is 16, Uniswap is 1047, Algorand is 19 cents, FTX is down $4, it's $43 now, 5% under. Stellar XLM 21 cents, Mana Decentraland is 10% down at 289. Sandbox is at a 9% low of 408. ICP is $19.49. VeChain is 5 cents. Good time to accumulate the VeChain. Axel Infinity is $56 and so on. If there's any, Harmony One is 18 cents. Gala's 30 cents. Pancake Swap is $7. Listen, dolls and guys, there's been a lot of speculation and a lot of talk within the past few hours about something going on with Pancake Swap, that they're going to ban it. I don't know how true that is, but you got to wait around and see. What do you do in a time like this if this is indeed a bear market? What you do is you dollar cost average out, scale out little by little. Don't pull out. I mean, I'm not going to tell you what to do. You do what you want, but I recommend like things like XRP. I don't care if they go down to a nickel. I'm not selling them. I'm not going to risk losing my bag. First of all, it's hard enough to even get those coins. So with that said, just give me 1 second. I am going to keep on talking, but I just have to step away. With XRP, I'm totally just gonna keep buying. If they dip down and if it goes down to almost nothing, guess what? I don't care. I know how many I have. I'm not getting rid of my XRP. My Cardano, I'm seeing it from $1.12, this morning, and now it's $1.07. What do I do? I don't know. I'm going to wait around and see. Eventually, they'll come up. If we're in a bear market, we're in a bear market. There's nothing I can do about it. So there's so much going on in the crypto world. It's Friday. It's the weekend. These are the scariest times ever. Ever. To deal with the market going down, but it has a lot to do with Ukraine. President Joe Biden is going to make a phone call with Putin tomorrow. I know they're saying for the Americans that are there, they need to get out, and I just hope everything goes well. We got to plan for the worst and pray for the best, I guess. But we always have to have a just in case. Now, what happens if we do go to war? What if they invade Ukraine? What's going to happen here in the U.S.? A lot can happen. I was talking about if we do go into some type of war, um, get your money out the bank and all that stuff. I don't know what to do because these things are happening so quick. So it's just, you got to figure out your finances. But I do know with the trucking and the strikes that they're doing and the protesting, that's going to bring up the cost of anything in the supermarkets simply because they're holding the strikes out in Canada and the truckers are supposed to do it in the US. And guess what? If the trucks ain't moving, there's nothing in the supermarket. So whatever is in the supermarket, it's going to be in higher demand. And the shelves already look a little crazy. I mean, anyway, where I'm at, they look a little empty, more than normal. And if I'm in a city like New York and I'm noticing that the supermarkets are bare shelved, then that's a problem because you could be anywhere else in the United States. And New York City is New York City, okay? And if we're looking for items in the supermarket and we're not finding them, then what about those small towns? New York is New York. No matter what happens, no matter how bad it's getting, no matter how overpopulated it is, the crime is horrible here. But my point is, if those truckers sit somewhere protesting and they don't turn those wheels, we're going to have a food strike. We're going to have a shortage of food. All this stuff comes on a truck. I've ran a trucking company for many years in my life. If our wheels ain't turning, we're not earning. So that goes for everybody who's waiting for merchandise. If your merchandise ain't coming in, you're not making no money. Inflation, the dollar's going to keep going up. What happens about, with that? I have an example. I got one piece of steak here. I'm going to show you. One piece of steak. See this? One piece. $26. $26. Like, really? What happens to the family of 4 or 6? My warning to you is stock up on canned foods. I'm not trying to panic or fearmonger anybody. Stock up on canned foods and save your cash. Cash will be king if something does happen. Let's hope it don't, but we do have to think about what can happen and just be on point with everything. So with that said, let's start talking about crypto once again. I'm going to pull up a couple of things here. And I don't know what's going on with Sunday Swap, but we're going to really check it out. We're going to see what's going on with Sunday Swap. Not Sunday Swap, Pancake Swap. Which is not a problem if you don't have money in there. But if you have money... Okay, so what I'm seeing is on March 9th, the decentralized exchange platform Pancake Swap will reportedly start blocking access to the Iranian IP addresses. So, like I said, when I started, I heard something about Pancake Swap, but I didn't look into it. It was just something that was told to me. So I'm here updating you. So that's what I found so far. If you're out there and you're watching and you know anything about what's going on, is Pancake Swap allowed in the U.S.? Yes, the U.S. residents can now access Pancake Swap. I'm just trying to find an article. This is an old article. What's going on? Ban Pancake Swap. Phishing warning. Please make sure you're visiting pancakeswap.finance. Okay, here's the thing too. When you're going on any exchange, so let's just say I tell you to go on Coinbase to purchase your crypto. So you can go to coinbase.com and hopefully you're at the right website. But sometimes you have to look in the URL and make sure you're at the right website. So always do your homework before you put any information because there's so many scammers out there. They even make fake platforms where you put your credit card, your debit card information in, and the coin is there and you purchase it, but you're really not purchasing anything. So be careful with any website once you're involved in cryptocurrency. Let's see what happens. I know the stocks are all going down. I know that gas went up tremendously once they got that report about Ukraine today. Let's see what they're saying about the stock market right now. The Federal Reserve rate debate and Ukraine tensions could jolt markets in the week ahead. Keep your eyes open. Stock market news, live updates, stocks end sharply lower as Russia, Ukraine concerns. Listen, what happens around the world affects us in the United States. So I don't know where you're watching from, but you got to keep that in mind always. Politics and stocks always come together. Dow drops 500 points. Nasdaq sinks more than 2% on fears of a Russian attack on Ukraine. I did hear the other day um, that there will be a massive correction from 50 to 70% in the stock market if this all unfolds, which is very scary. So, like, what do? You got to think about it. Do you need that money tomorrow? Do you feel better pulling out and waiting for everything to drop and buy back in? That's a decision that you have to make. And it has to be a very smart decision. So figure it out. It's not what we want, but it's to protect our savings, our stocks, our investments. Got to be realistic. Nobody cares if you lose your money, but you should care. And I care. I don't want to lose no more money. Why did the stock market drop? U.S. warned Russian invasion of Ukraine could happen. They said within 24 to 48 hours. I mean, I don't know. I just pray that everybody's going to be okay. Inflation has knocked back the market. Here are the key S&P 500 and tech stocks um, strategic fears. EU investigates reports of disorders from the COVID. That's something else. Stock market outlook, interest rate regime change, favors value over tech. I don't know. So let me see what else is going on here. I just know that everything's going down, but you never know. You never know what's going on. Everything gets played by the minute. So let's talk about Paul, who I'm having on tomorrow from the Crypto Factor. He is very accomplished. He has a couple of books. I don't know details of, how long he's been in the business, but he's a very intelligent man. That's why I wanted to have him on the show. He's from Europe, in Greece, and he just created an NFT game called Bit Bulls. Bit Bulls. Really adorable. Um, let's see if I pull it up. He created, no, that's not going to do it. He created some type of NFT game, and I want to have him talk about it. And if there's anybody interested, you can go to bitbulls.io and you could check out Paul's game, whatever it is. It's an NFT project. I know he loves pit bulls. He has a wonderful, I'm going to pull it up. He has such a cute little demo of his, I'm going to share it, of his pit bulls. It's on YouTube. I'm going to just share it here. It's pretty cool. The whole creation is adorable. Let's get him up. I always have so much to talk about, and I love, like yesterday we had a little live stream, and I like the interaction. I want people to come on. You don't have to know about crypto. Just come on and ask me questions. You can come on and say, Bobby, I have $5. I'd like to invest. What should I do? Where should I go? And rule of thumb, hey, if you got $5, buy $5 of whatever. And just watch how the market goes up and down. And then in your head, you could say, wow, if I had $100 here, I would have made money, or reverse, say I had 100 here, I would have been, losing money. But at least you can see how the market fluctuates. I'm going to put the video on just to show you his little project. Okay. His page is the Crypto Factor, just so you know. Okay, he is, what did he do? He just did this. Okay. I'm going to play this little video. Where is his little doggies? Let's see. Okay, let me see. Where's his bit bowls? I'm looking, just bear with me. Let me put this up in the meantime. All I do is win, no matter what. I do. Frankie Candles is on. I'm sorry for the delay. Just bear with me, guys. Bit bowls. I have very bad reception where I am. I'm still here. Well, you know what? We'll wait. Okay, wait. Let's see if we could. Anyway, you know what? Let's let Paul share that information with us tomorrow when he comes on. But I'll show you from here. It's not going to be what I wanted to show you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And welcome. That's his intro. I don't know. 50. Let's see. But I'll be selling before that. This is an old video. Recommended. I think it's going to grow more as well. Okay. I see that's good. Okay, anyway, I'll leave that up to him. If there's any coins, any projects you want to talk about, please just ask me and I'll be more than happy to figure that information out for you. If I know and if I have an answer, I'll be more than glad to share the information with you. Right now, everything is just up in the air. We have no clue. Wait a minute. Did I actually take... I hope I didn't use the link. Okay, yeah, that is for tomorrow. Well, I got a shout yesterday from one of the YouTubers, and I'll play it, but I'm kind of not a fan, only because, well, maybe now if he starts to not allowing for people he was getting paid apparently for shilling coins, and apparently something's going on where now all he's saying is, oh, I'm not gonna take any money from anybody if I talk about any coins on my channel, because there's gonna be regulations, and people who are influencers on YouTube, they're gonna get in trouble. They're gonna get in trouble for telling their viewers to buy something that's garbage, which isn't cool. Like, you don't do that. People are investing their money. They have to do well. I would never tell any of you to go and buy something that I technically haven't even invested into. If I'm investing in something, I'm going to tell you. Is XRP a good project? Great project. Is Cardano a great project? Yes, it is. Is Ethereum good? Yes, it is. Is Bitcoin good? Bitcoin is not good, but I'm invested because it's a moneymaker. How long will that be around? Well, it's been around since I believe 2008, and I don't think it's going to be around much longer, but I could be wrong because XRP is going to dance around it. But that's just my opinion. I can make a million people crazy by telling them my thoughts. Sandbox, introducing sand, staking on Polygon. See, you can stake your crypto. Russia sparks nuclear warfares. There's a lot going on. So, like, just watch your money and I'll be back. I just wanted to do a test run. I'm in another location and I got to make sure that the Wi Fi works here. And until next time, I'll stream tonight. If you want to come on a live chat, please just leave a comment, shoot me a message, and I'll get back to you and I'll send you a link and we can come on and talk crypto and the markets, what's going on. Hope you all have a great rest of your evening, afternoon, morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. And until next time, take care. God bless. Crypto Granny. Bobby, 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 Bobby.